friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw My Melody as Pennywise from It. So first, on the top right hand side for the balloon, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the top. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. On both sides now, we're going to draw on a diagonal line that comes out for the bottom of the balloon. And then we'll draw in a straight line directly across. Let's draw in the rest of the head now. So for the ear, to the left of this, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right. Moving over towards the left, let's draw in the flower. So we're going to draw in a small circle. Moving up above to the right, we're going to curve this line around and then in. On the top left, we're going to arch this line around, back in. Dropping down towards the side, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then again, one more time, just curving this line around, back in towards the middle. For the left ear behind now, we're going to arch this line up and then back down on the right. Now let's draw on the face. On the left-hand side behind the flower, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Starting behind the balloon on the right, we're going to bring this line down and then curving that in, ending that so it's at the same height. And then now we'll close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Coming over on the left, we're going to again arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then down on the bottom. For the eyes now, we're going to draw in an oval on the right. And then we'll leave quite a big gap coming over on the left, lining that up at the same height, and we'll replicate that. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for the nose. And then for the mouth, we're just going to draw in a small arch line in the center. Above both eyes now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then moving underneath, we're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal. Now let's draw in the hand holding the balloon. So coming down, we're going to draw in a circle for the right hand. And then for the balloon string on the top, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back down towards the top of our hand. For the arm, we're going to curve this line up. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. On the inside, again, we're going to curve this line around, back up. We're going to continue this as we come over towards the right. And then we're going to arch this line in on the right-hand side. Now coming underneath on the left, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back out. On the right, we're going to curve this line in and then back out, ending that at the same height. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a small straight line that comes down. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line over. We'll curve this line over on the left. Moving up above, let's replicate that. And then one more time, moving over on the left-hand side. Underneath for the foot, we're going to curve this line up. We'll do the same thing on the left. Now in the middle for the button, we're just going to draw in a small circle. For the left arm, we're going to curve this line out. Underneath, we're going to arch this line in. And then for the hand, we're going to curve this line around and then back up. And then over in the middle, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come across. And that is it. That's how you draw My Melody as Pennywise from It. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.